Welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Primetime English News with me, Suchitra Rajkumari. First, the headlines. After IMD issued orange alert, sudden thunderstorm and hailstorm wreak havoc in various parts of state. Chief Minister N. Biren urges people to submit photographs of hailstorm-affected houses to respective DCs. Vidya Bharati Shiksha Vikas Samiti Manipur's School on Wheels scheme will assist children at relief camps, asserts Governor Anusuya Uike. And FESOP urges government action as Dhanamanjuri University is facing critical conditions. With the rise in digital world, we extend our welcome and gratitude to our viewers for supporting the most trusted and first ever OTT platform, SKTV in Manipur, that can be watched globally. Now let's take a look at the news in a bit more detail. After IMD issued orange alert, sudden thunderstorm and hailstorm wreaked havoc in several areas of the state, causing significant disruptions in normal activities. Severe hailstorm around 1:30 p.m. hit Imphal city, causing extensive damage to residential areas with tin roofs and even shattering vehicle windows. The storm also caused chaos on roadways, causing difficulties to commuters due to accumulation of hailstones. Imphal International Airport was not spared, with hailstones damaging the roof of a towable passenger stair. Singjamai Kakwa Basikhong Kongba Irong, Khagempali, Kwakaithel, Patsoi, Kairenbikhok of Hairok, and Konthaujam were severely hit by hailstone. Roof of Anganwadi Center in Konthaujam was completely destroyed. The hailstorm not only affected houses but also trees, crops and birds. Earlier, the Indian Meteorological Department IMD had issued an orange alert for thunderstorms and heavy rainfall in northeast states including Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura within 24 hours.
ngasi nung Philpung ani mo kairom tarak po matamda Manipur gi mapam ayamba maroy na Imphal West aduga Imphal East District loina na Bisnupur gi district ki saruk kharada akan mamongda lenta ki paduga khak polaw bu yaw ki ba loina na nong nung sikra sikki me mamor kanda maroy na patak na khoi ka hena mamangda mukta u ki dirba mongda nong khoi lenta ki pusina maram or kanda yum kaya amang ta thoki ba mapam kaya da khoi len si yam so ba size da bapa pa khoi tasalaga leiba yam adum ubigani lambi da khoi Imphal manungi maroy ba lambi sing Imphal West ki ayamba mafam singda koi pakang na lambi da len si mapang pang tasalaga leiba gi adum ba paung kudong cha dom mayong ki loina na amukta u khidre mong da hai tare Manipur gi history da asumba yamna climate change da yamna extreme weather sumba ma thorkane si mapang dom ta khan khidi adubu ngasi ta khiba akan len sin maram morekan da yum kaya koi mathak hoba loina na amangta thokpa yam chong thoki mahi marung kaya ama koi mangta ki habatare aduga ngasi sigi bibam su oirakani oirakpa yai haibasi meteorological department na IMD na koi ngarang se section wa pongdok ko laigre maroina north east ki state sing Assam Manipur Meghalaya Mizoram Tripura hariba koi state sing asida ngasi si akan manong sit silaba yai aduga patak na koi len tarba yai haibagi aduga ba section wa pom sit thamkiba laikre aduga makha tarakpa numit nini humni laiba tang koi taruk taret nipan sai bukta koi ahen ba section thorang se lokana ba IMD gi maike digi miam da section wapam tham gibsu laikre masi gi makha tarak pada nong chubi sang si millimeter sam ga tara manga 10 manga dagina chani ga suna mari 10 mari yauna ko gi nong churba yai haibagi adumba section wapam thamlak ni aduga maroina north east state sing sida orange alert lokhoga IMD na miam section thorang lokona ba phongdo ki basu laikra bani miam na uri phibam si Manipur da aduga north east state ta pakna thokida ba aduga particularly akhoi state ta mamang dong to ukidriba ingasu nong churasu mucha sarasu aduba extreme oiba condition do ngasi di akhoi singma se yam chawna ohong ama live si kari dagi no haiba se akhoi section mina ba khanda mina bam changi section thorong ko pam changi aduga sigi phibam se akhoi matung tar pada henaroi hani ai lekte maram dre akhoi miam se section thorong ko changi aduga mangsaw na authority gi ma ke digi su pam da ba thongdok sing aduga oigi kudong kiba thongdok sing thok tarang midam ta section thorong ko pa mathau tai hai bo phom sine ira masigi matang da camera person sana jawbul ina SKTV news ki da ba kongdam dari ba kuntham jantar.
Chief Minister N. Biren has called upon residents affected by today's heavy hailstorm across various parts of the state to report damages of their houses. Through a post on social media, the Chief Minister urged owners of whose properties were affected by hailstorm to submit photos, videos, and details of destruction to their respective deputy commissioners so that government could provide aid for the losses. Following the instructions of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West District has informed the owners of houses of the district which were damaged by today's hailstorm to submit detailed report along with photographs and videos. The victims of SDO Lampel jurisdiction should contact 7085-648-913 for SDC Central Yumnam Dhanendra and 9862-934-179 for Ranjit Maisnam, while for Lamsam jurisdiction, one can contact 700-518-4718 for SDC Laitonjam Bikin, 8837-422-040 for SDC Ningthojam Ratan Kumar of Salam, 9612-192-445 for SDC Irom Nirmal of Patsoy Subdivision, 825-789-7408 for SDC Samukcham Jemi of Konthojam, 9974-661764 for SDC Ningombam Rabi Chandra Maitay of Mayang Imphal Wangway Circle, and 700-528-5379 for SDC Aribam Devakishwar Sarma of Hyangthang. Meanwhile, emergency helpline number for 13 districts of the state has also been announced to ensure assistance for those in need. Now, Governor Anusuya Uike assured to take initiatives of internally displaced persons at relief camps to return to their original residences. She expressed her contentment as children at relief camps will get opportunities to educate through schools on wheels, spearheaded by Vidya Bharati Shiksha Samiti, Manipur. The governor gave the assurance during the inaugural function of School on Wheels held at Sudarshan Hall of Bal Vidya Mandir Palace Compound today. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Anusuya Uike instructed Chief Secretary Vinny Joshi to take further steps to increase the number of vehicles of Schools on Wheels, which was launched yesterday. Chief Secretary Vinny Joshi, President of Vidya Bharati Shiksha Vikas Samiti Manipur Yumnam Khogen, and Sangathan Mantri of Vidya Bharati Purvota Kshetra Dr. Pawan Kumar Tiwari attended the inaugural function.
मुझे आप सबके बीच में आकर बहुत खुशी हो रही है और ये जानकर भी मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि ये पहली बार और ऐसी परिस्थिति में जब हमारा मणिपुर जो है जिन परिस्थितियों से गुजर रहा है, ऐसे समय वहाँ पर रहने वाले कैंपों में जो फैमिली है, उनके बच्चे हैं और किस तरह से वो अपनी मानसिक स्थिति से लेकर तमाम परिस्थितियों से गुजर रहे हैं और उनके बच्चे जो उनकी शिक्षा के लिए बहुत आवश्यक है, वो देखते हुए विद्या भारती विकास समिति के द्वारा जो स्कूल ऑन व्हील्स के अंतर्गत जो योजना आज आपने प्रारंभ की है, ये अपने आप में ही यहाँ के लिए बहुत ही आवश्यक थी, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण, और इस प्रयास के लिए मैं विद्या भारती विकास समिति के सम्मानीय डॉक्टर पवन कुमार जी और उनके पूरी टीम को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामना देती हूँ।
Federal Students Organization Kanglei Pak FESOK has appealed to authority concerned to intervene as Dhanamanjuri University DMU is facing critical conditions. In a press meet held at FESOK office Kakwa, Vice President of FESOK Namairakpam Rikesh highlighted that the university, which is 7 years old, has not yet attained full-fledged status. Rikesh emphasized the university's lack of infrastructure and staff, pointing out that despite repeated appeals from various student organizations, the relevant authorities have remained mute spectators. He further highlighted that although UGC has recognized the varsity, grants, projects for teachers, stipends for PhD students, etc. remained pending without approval from UGC. He stressed that this has led to issues such as insufficient projects for faculty and unpaid stipends for PhD students. Pointing out UGC guidelines, he maintained that such issues were supposed to be resolved within 5 years of establishment of the varsity. Furthermore, in December 2023, the UGC had directly addressed the university, urging them to recruit more faculty members to address shortage of staff. However, the government has failed to comply with UGC directives, resulting in DMU's inclusion in defaulting universities list issued by UGC on January 17. He further asserted that even though recruitment process has been initiated, there are reports of wrongdoings in the process. Indicating certain interference in the autonomous university affairs, he lamented that DMU has failed to issue a notice to appoint new vice-chancellor even after the vice-chancellor has retired. He further urged authority concerned to intervene and address the situation promptly.
Dhanamanjuri University asigi BC masamangna khudiyek piduna selection list thokraba ojasing ase ngasi phawwa offer form pibidabana maram oirakanda thabak join tawba yadaduna leiri karigidamakta tha makhai ama phajalaklaba selection list thokraba singasibu karigidamakta offer form pibidaduna thabak join tawhan bidribano haiba wahang asini Manipur Technical University MTU gi matangda oja laukiba matamdadi selection list thokpagi numit humni gi manungda offer form pibi rakana thabak join tawki MTU maru oide haibagi wan chade university osigi oina maru oiribasi faculty singje khaktarate non teaching staff singsuni adubu non teaching staff 169 gi post ti hojik phawa karigi damakta haidok pidribano tasengna university asigi vice chancellor obiram liba oja professor Rasmohan masam angna sonbadagira natragana Manipur lengak tagi hakthing nana khut thingjan gi yaungna thingjan badagi oiribra haiba wahang asini.
A team led by Chief Justice of High Court Manipur Siddharth Mridul inspected the ongoing construction of District and Sessions Court in Ukhrul yesterday. During the inspection, Chief Justice highlighted the necessity of district judge and judicial magistrate at district and session court in Ukhrul district instead of hearing court cases through video conferencing. The Chief Justice assured to complete the construction within 2.5 months. Taking advantage of Chief Justice's survey, President of Ukhrul Bar Association Michael Zimic submitted a memorandum to Chief Justice comprising 3 demands that included establishment of District Consumers Court in Ukhrul. Justices A. Bimol and A. Guneshwar Sharma, Registrar General Yumkham Rothar, District and Session Judge Bini Ngangom, Registrar Judicial Ojes Mutum, and Member Secretary of Masalsa Elek Muiva accompanied the Chief Justice during the inspection. BSF personnel deployed alongside Suknu River, where severe crossfiring took place between Kuki militants and village volunteers during the ongoing violence, have been replaced by Manipur Rifles personnel. As per sources, 167B Company BSF Battalion, who were protecting people residing at Suknu Tongkong to Sajel Sanglen, has been replaced by Manipur Rifles early morning today. According to reports from the locals, the BSF personnel have been shifted to West Bengal for Lok Sabha election duty. Meanwhile, 32 personnel of Manipur Rifles have started their duties at the bunkers and stations earlier occupied by the BSF. On the other hand, 136 Delta Company BSF personnel are still stationed at Suknu Higher Secondary School to safeguard people residing at Suknu Mayay Lekay to Haining Mokhong. United Meitei Pangal Committee UMPC Manipur stated that the committee has been taking major role in protecting state's integrity and will continue to do the same. Speaking to media at Kaubru Conference Hall of Manipur Press Club, spokesperson Raiz Ahmed asserted that during the ongoing violence, some Meitei Pangals have been found engaging in drug-related activities, wherein various Meitei Pangal civil society organizations are trying to tackle the issue. He continued that UMPC condemned negative comments on initiatives taken up by the committee to tackle drug-related issues that will mislead the public. He further added that UMPC will take the help of law to proceed further against drug-related issues.
Hojik leirikliba hojik ki oiba issue sida maru oina social media da fake account sizinaraga nisha chasilaga tongan mayam ama mioi kaya gi mix up tawba mawonga comment pisalaga Manipur gi hojik ki leiriba issue papung oiba issue asigi si divert tawraga tongan mawong amada punana bagi hotarapagi mawong ase United Meitei Pangal Committee Manipur na condemn tawi loinana makhata na ngasi hairiba numit ay koina tawjariba press conference asigi hek matung dagi makhata na sigumba hairiba comment piba social media singda amadi tongan bo WhatsApp group sing mayam ama create tawraga misunderstanding create tawna ba irang sagatna ba community amagi masak thina na ba yamna kan hone jariba hairiba lal se shanti purakna ba amadi tongan hiram mayam ama da chen songiba mayam singo mapung oina maigai leiraga sen khinabagi mawong ama honareba mioi singasi UMPC na kaidawunungda makoibu lemna tharoi.
Thunderstorms accompanied by hailstorms not only swept away houses but created numerous holes on the tin roofs. People are reeling under hardships due to the damage caused by sudden thunderstorm and hailstorm that hit various parts in the state this afternoon. Heavy rainfall accompanied by hailstone has damaged crops as well. SKTV News brings you an exclusive on this.
Thunderstorm and hailstorm that hit the state this afternoon swept away tin roof of houses, causing hardships to people. Heavy fall of hailstones not only damaged the houses, but rainfall coupled with strong wind damaged the vegetable crops. People rushed to hardware stores just after the rain to mend the damaged tin roofing. Many expressed their desire for political parties and MLA to extend immediate assistance to people affected by the thunderstorm, similar to the interest that was shown during the time of elections.
दुकान जो याद रहे आई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की दुकान नहीं लो रहे आमते याद है पूजा चलो रहे यूं मुझे पुंगाई काय रहे कई फिल्म में तो उधर नो खांग रहे
मुझे कई लाइब्रेरी जी वो यूं फोन ब्रो
तुम फोन अपनी मुझे नंग ना था मुझे गाड़ी मसाजो आधा काय रहे लेगी
मसी डिपार्टमेंट खक्ति नतना डिपार्टमेंट की मसाना खंगना लाकु याई अखोइना सुमदु थाजी अदुगो मरुइना अखोइ केंद्र की एमएलए सिंह को अखोइ बोर्ड चु कुइदा ngairi logiba बोर्ड की टाइप ता मफम खुदिमक चलगा माइ केंद्र चलगा अवार पा यंगसिल पिरगा यामना थुना पिबियम दरकार होय वाकर सिनबै मोता मसामक लागा स्पोर्ट ता हाइबा थबक सिंगजी यंगजिन बिरगा अवार पा पिनिंग यागी मोता दे
थैंक यू A severe hailstorm devastated numerous homes and vegetable crops in Manipur, underscoring the evident impact of climate change. Authorities must address this issue promptly and implement the measures to mitigate its effect. Most importantly, those who are affected by the hailstorm should be taken care by the government by providing necessary assistance and support. This is Sktv'S Primetime reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.
RIMS authority has notified that the old gate of RIMS will be closed with immediate effect and advised to use the new gate. In a press release, the authority has notified that RIMS old gate opposite to MTDC gate connecting RIMS campus to DC Road will remain closed with immediate effect until further order. The step was initiated for security reasons. It further advised the staffs, students and public to use the new gate connecting old and new campus to access departments of Dental College and College of Nursing RIMS. Now, Customs Division Imphal Anti-Smuggling Unit apprehended an individual along with brown sugar worth over 2 crore rupees. The individual was caught along with the contraband drug while he attempted to board a Dimapur-bound public transport vehicle. According to press release issued by Deputy Commissioner of Custom Division Imphal, on receiving information, a team of anti-smuggling officers intercepted the suspicious vehicle on National Highway number 102 near Manipuri, about 5 kilometers from Imphal around 7:30 a.m. yesterday. During the search, the team discovered 40 small plastic bags containing a total of 470 grams of brown sugar valued approximately rupees 2.35 crore in international market. However, the identity of the arrested person is being withheld to facilitate further raids and potential arrest as well as seizures. The arrested person has been booked under NDPS Act of 1985. Tomtin Group's Euro to Asia Outsourcing Private Limited Itao organized second Dubai to Imphal business meet at Loktak Hall of Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media, Managing Director of Itao, Muhammad Abdul Noor, maintained that the group aims to promote harmony among different communities in the state. He highlighted Itao's efforts to generate employment opportunities for young Manipuris through collaboration with both Dubai-based and local companies. Noor stressed the importance of education in development of the society. He added that the group's objective is to provide job placement, education, and training to the youths. He expressed concern over the financial strain effect due to exorbitant fees, which has resulted in many students being unable to attend school.
Tomtin Groups adugumba Euro to Asia Outsourcing Private Limited haidiba mingthona sigi makhada aikoi ahanbada Dubai dagi company Federal Sourcing Outsourcing haibin leiba adagi maka makhoine laaga ngasi Sir Dhavali respected chairman and managing director of Bhabina adagi classic hotel ga punminaraga aikoi mapanda job placement piba ngamjakre training yaudabida adugi makha tarakpada larik na sangma matamdana ngasi metropolitan da larik yamna changbagi paisa yamna changpagi pochi lakpanina haidiba larik si tamdaba yade haibagi focus ama leiraga su paisa tabnina madugum da tamba phangzadaba arban amasung ngasai rural da leikhiba mipung khudi mak chatra talented webum khaisi aikhoina counseling gi program amasung exam lauraga different institution makai khogi yanaraga admission gi paisa laudabida tha gi fee thidabida amasung only magi semester gi exam gi fee khak thiraga mi kaya matam kaya aikhoina loina zaraga hoji khoi mapanda job placement piba larik tambagi facility piba training piba chatri masida miyamna corporation pimiraga manipur gi similon chakot pakanda corporation pibiraga aikoi shibaru
Department of Agriculture organized one-day awareness program on campaign and consultative meet on millets under the supervision of Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region at Kumbi Setupur Mairasang. The campaign was launched to encourage millet cultivation by organizing clusters for farmers at Ithai Local and Kumbi Terakong Local. Speaking at the campaign, Project Officer of Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region, KH Nimaichan, stated that the department has also geared up for cultivation of 3 types of millet successfully by the farmers. Additionally, experts imparted insights on pros and cons of millet cultivation, enhancing awareness among participants.
di panong thang ngani ana si thaw matam si da aina mayam thongdini ri si ka do wi tha do ri no ga ma ji tha ja lu ga pa hachang de kai kana hali ha ron sing ba si ko si de sing no wa ba adu ma zaga na ko ni mi tha jiam pai maram di aina sing ji phajal laga lo bo ka na pa sham sang ani sing ji to ka sing ji to ga na ha ron bi si di ho ga mi le ta thaw tam da sing ji Changi Sangse, but 70% military Sindaka with it. Maru Gabu, Rugi, Sindaxi, rice, Yehuko. And only known this song and a lot of Taragadi, a quasi project, Hata, Quasi, water, Quasi, Toda, Sinaquinago. And the Sigumba, Mahuchi, Miaba, with a corn, Kalai, the Kaikon, and millets, and a canal, which is Posila, the Nilko.
A franchise model, Mr. Blue, which deals in laundry, dry cleaning and other textile products, has launched its 5th outlet at Wangkai Laurembam Laikai today. Dealer of Mr. Blue, Boni Sharma, said Mr. Blue is a 2-year-old franchise model, adding that he aims to launch textile-related projects in future. He appealed to the people to take benefits of its service and monitor the functioning of Mr. Blue.
Fifth suba Mr. Blue launch tawre aduga Mr. Blue je franchise model ne chahi ani suraba Gurgaon te horakpane aduda Pan India project to 72 operational oire Pan India da aduga Manipur gi oina fifth sub ne adu hojek bitujina amu magi fifth sub unit ne next ta leiriba project jo makal mayam ama leiri but main akoi gi Mr. Blue je piriba services sidi akoi textile related oiba service ke one stop solution oina pire aduga not only akoi per kg the okay have or a textile related have the men's section pull up, women's section, kids section, household curtains, carpet pull up in a services of people.
On the other hand, proprietor of Mr. Blue Wangkai, Bitu Oinam, asserted that the project aims to provide job to unemployed youths. The outlet will give 30% discount to customers. He added that the outlet has the facility of home delivery service and appealed people to grasp the benefit.
Sangazariba Mr. Blue ase masidaisida akoina piriba service asi matam chillaba timing matam phangdaba mi singi damakta pishuba gi damakta pijare adu masisina kana ba pidoisina job empowerment ma pire akoi Manipur ge khalaiba na ha sing youth sing deju job pire aduga akoina ngasi inaugural offer oina 30% off pijagani hafta ama aduga masina pick and drop service free da pijagani kg da set pe ai kg da lupa hum pudai hojai dry cleaning tawi, ngok suzai, curtain, blanket, any textile ki one stop solution. Haidare, Mr. Blue, sila lak view mayam, unamot service available view.
Bantarapur High School of Kasar felicitated students who scored 1st and 2nd divisions in Class 10 Board Examination 2023 and 24 yesterday. Teachers of Bantarapur High School, people of Kasar and parents were gratified with Mutum Sujata's success in earning 1st place in 10th grade examination among government provincialized schools in Kasar district. The school scored 100% pass rates with 31 students scoring 4 distinctions, 5 star marks, 14 first divisions and 8 second divisions. Assistance continues to be provided from different sections to Arambay Tengol, who are safeguarding the state even after completion of 1 year of Manipur violence. Nungthombam Sanjit Kumar of Kongba Uchekon handed over monetary assistance to Arambay Tengol Unit 15 at KB. Sanjit Kumar appealed to the public to continue providing assistance to those who are safeguarding the state. National news, we have External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar stated that India will wait for the Canadian police to share information on the 3 Indian nationals arrested and charged with the murder of Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Najjar last year. J. Shankar said he had seen news of the arrest and added that the suspects apparently are Indians of some kind of gang background. The Canadian police on Friday arrested 3 members of an alleged hit squad linked to the murder of Najjar in British Columbia last year. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police named the 3 men as Karanpreet Singh, 28, Kamalpreet Singh, 22, and Karan Brar, 22. All 3 were living in Edmonton, Alberta, where they were taken into custody. According to court reports, the trio has been charged with first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit murder. They had been in Canada for 3 to 5 years. Investigations are going, with Assistant Commissioner David Debol confirmed that there are separate and distinct investigations underway, not limited to the involvement of the individuals arrested. At a separate event, Jay Shankar said what is happening in pole-bound Canada over the killing of Hardeep Singh. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud on Saturday stressed the need for adoption of best international practices in juvenile justice system, as with rapidly evolving technology, minors are diving into cyber crimes like hacking, cyberbullying, online fraud, and digital harassment. He said anonymity and accessibility of digital platforms lower barriers to entry, luring young individuals into illicit activities. The CJI, who is on a 3-day official visit to Nepal at the invitation of Chief Justice of Nepal, was speaking in National Symposium on Juvenile Justice. The CJI said it is critical to grasp the multifaceted nature of juvenile justice and its intersections with various dimensions of the societies. Referring to an example of Momo Challenge, he said it was a viral hoax that spread through social media platforms in 2019, targeting children and adolescents. This hoax purported a series of escalating dares, including self-harm or suicide, although it was later debunked. The CJI further stated that at domestic level, specific training in child protection rules is essential to ensure that all stakeholders involved in the juvenile system have necessary knowledge and skills to safeguard the rights and well-being of children. Moreover, he asserted that training programs should incorporate principles of trauma-informed care, emphasizing sensitivity and empathy towards juvenile offenders who may have experienced adverse experiences. In sports, we have, meanwhile, Lukram Ramesh of Thangmaiban soared to victory and won historic gold medal in the second edition of Open Badminton Championship in men's single 40+ category held at Phuench Choling Sports Complex, Chuka in Bhutan. The championship was organized by Bhutan Badminton Federation (BBF) from May 2nd to May 5 under the sponsorship of Bhutan NOC, that is Bhutan Olympic Committee. Manipur junior boys team has departed Imphal yesterday to participate in the 74th National Junior Basketball Championship 2024. The championship is scheduled to take place in Madhya Pradesh from May 8 to May 14. The team comprised players H. Rishikanta, T.H. Newton, M. Telhaiba, M. Lanchenba, L. Rahul, M. Oyal, H. Zenith, H. Lamyanba, K. Dev, N.G. Bronson, R.K. Roshan, and N. Ronaldo Maitai, led by team coach Boris Achom and team manager Dinachandra Aribam. The Mumbai City FC were crowned champions of the 2023-2024 Indian Super League after they defeated Mohun Bagan Super Giant 3-1 in the final match played at Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata yesterday. Mumbai completed a second-half comeback after going down to Jason Cummings' opener before goals from George Pereira Diaz, Thaunaujam Bipin Singh, and Jacob Vostas gave them the win and their second-ever ISL trophy. Mumbai City FC led a Mohun Bagan team by 20 shots. However, shot on target remained same with 4-4 for both teams in the final match. There were altogether 12 teams in Indian Super League 2023 and 2024. And that is all we have for now. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. After IMD issued orange alert, sudden thunderstorm and hailstorm wreak havoc in various parts of state. Chief Minister N. Biren urges people to submit photographs of hailstorm-affected houses to respective DCs. Vidya Bharati Siksha Vikash Samiti Manipur's School on Wheels scheme will assist children at relief camps, asserts Governor Anusuya Uike. And FESOP urges government action as Dhanamanjuri University is facing critical conditions. And thank you for watching SKTV News, the first ever OTT platform in Manipur. Please visit SKTV website skyic.in to download SKTV app. You can now access Google Play Store to download the app. SKTV iOS app is now accessible on Apple App Store. For early access, use the QR code. The download link will also be pinned in all our comment sections. Join us for real-time news updates, exclusive interviews, and comprehensive analysis of current affairs in Manipur. Have a good night.